Knee-high explained. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting and picturesque English phrase, knee-high. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's jump in. Knee-high can be taken quite literally at first glance. It refers to a height that reaches one's knees. Imagine standing in a field with grass reaching up to your knees. The grass would be described as knee-high. Example: the young child was only knee-high to his father. While the phrase can be used in a literal sense, knee-high also has a more figurative application. It's sometimes used to describe something as being small or short, especially in comparison to other things. Example: when I last saw him, he was just a knee-high boy, but now he's all grown up. You might also come across the phrase knee-high to a grasshopper. This is an old, colloquial expression used to describe someone, especially a child, as being very small or young. It emphasizes the tiny size of the individual because even a grasshopper is quite small. Example: I haven't seen you since you were knee-high to a grasshopper. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, knee-high. Whether you're talking about the height of plants or reminiscing about the younger days, this term is sure to add color to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, English is full of vivid expressions waiting to be discovered. Happy learning!